Did you know that just with a few clicks, you can make all your YouTube videos private? Whether you are rebranding your channel, fixing old content, or just want a fresh start, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it fast and hassle-free. YouTube gives you complete control over your content, but many people don't realize how powerful its privacy settings are. Have you ever wondered what happens when you make a video private? Does it still get views? Can people still find it? And most importantly, how do you private all your videos at once? Let's start with the basics. If you only need to make a single video private, simply go to YouTube Studio, find the video, click edit, and change the privacy setting to private. Easy, right? But what if you have dozens or even hundreds of videos? That's where bulk editing comes in. YouTube Studio allows you to select multiple videos and change their privacy settings in one go. Just head to Content tab, select all your videos, click edit, and choose private. Within seconds, all your videos will be hidden from public view. But wait, there is even a faster way to private everything in one click. If you want to make your entire YouTube channel private, you can do that too. Simply go to YouTube Studio, navigate to Settings, then Channel, and under Advanced Settings, select Make My Channel Private. Now, you might be wondering, what actually happens when you private a video? Well, first, it immediately disappears from search results, your channel page, and even from people's watch history. Second, private videos do not generate views, ad revenue, or engagement. So, if you are monetized, be careful. One common question is, can I still share my private videos? The answer is yes, but only with specific people. YouTube allows you to send private video links to selected email addresses, so only they can watch it. This is great for Teams review, client projects, or exclusive content. Another thing to keep in mind is that private videos do not affect your watch time or ranking. But if you delete them, you might lose those metrics permanently. That is why it's often better to private a video instead of deleting it. There are many reasons why YouTubers choose to private videos. Maybe you have outdated content that no longer fits your brand. Maybe you are dealing with copyright issues, or perhaps you just want to clean up your channel before launching a new big project. And here is an interesting fact. Many large YouTube creators routinely private and unlist their old videos to improve their overall channel performance. This is a smart way to keep your content fresh and relevant without losing your past work. Now, what if you change your mind? What if you want to bring back a private video? That's also easy. Just go back to YouTube Studio, find the video, and change the setting back to public or unlisted. Within seconds, your content will be live again. But what if your private videos still appear in search results? That can happen if YouTube hasn't updated its indexing yet. In most cases, it resolves within a few hours. But if you are in a hurry, try clearing your cache or checking from an incognito window. Another issue some people face is that their private videos doesn't save properly after changing the settings. If this happens, refresh your page or check your internet connection. It could be a simple glitch. So, should you private all your YouTube videos? The answer depends on your goals. If you are looking for a fresh start, rebranding, or simply protecting your old content, then it's a great strategy. But remember, privating videos means you lose public engagement and monetization from them. So always think twice before making the change. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Have you ever privated your videos before? Let me know your experience. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.